Hey, you made it.
Hey, sorry I'm late. I was just grabbing a toy for your dog. Are you ready to go?
Do we take my car? I don't want him to get your seats dirty.
Oh, you're good. I already put towels down for him and everything.
Nice of you to plan a picnic so Oliver could come.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, shoot. Forgot to bring water.
Water for Oliver? I got you covered.
Thanks for the nice time.
Yeah, of course. What about a second date? I'll bring a date for Oliver as well.
I love you.
Oh, excuse me. You dropped something.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, no worries.
Hey. Hey. Wait. Wait. Hey, wait.